How's it going out there, guys? We're going to be doing a little EMPI sway bar installation here on Susie Q today. The rear sway bar, we got it from Just Campers. Looks like a pretty nice addition, and we're hoping that Susie Q is going to get some better handling characteristics. Don't expect her to win any races anytime soon. She is a high top. Let's see what we got. We're crawling around under Susie Q right now trying to get this sway bar all connected up properly. It's a little bit of a chore by yourself, especially when you're crawling around on your back like a typical home mechanic. As you can see, I have the brackets on the bottom of the shock bracket installed, and this side has the bushings and all the little pieces installed. I use some bungee cords to secure the sway bar into a proper position so I can mark out the brackets. These brackets here, they gotta go on next. So I'm just lining everything up. I'm gonna drill some holes and pop it in, see how it all lines up, and tighten it down. This old high top might handle a little bit better in these mountain roads. We'll see what happens. This is the EMPI rear sway bar. I already have the front one installed. Pretty heavy duty bar. It should make a difference. We'll see how it goes. Okay, this is the fun part. This is where we have to line up this bracket with the chassis on the bus and drill some holes so we can fit the U-bolt through and put this bushing on the sway bar. It's pretty tight down here. And this one's going on this part of the bar and then connect to the frame here. So I'm going to line it up, mark my holes, and we're going to drill it in a little bit. I got the other one marked out already. Susie Q. Good times under the bus. Let's have a look. So what I gotta do now is mock it up so we can see how this is gonna fit. So we put this on. It's polyurethane bushing. Put it on like I put the other one this way. Doesn't matter, I guess. And I just want to make sure that this lines up with the chassis here. And I can mark my holes using this plate. Cool. Mark my holes using a Sharpie, and then double check it with the bracket and the bushing. That looks like it's gonna do it. Drill the holes next. Cool. Okay, now we're going to have a look at drilling those holes out. Alright, you guys, safety first. I got my goggles on because I'm drilling this metal down here. Let's see what we got going on. So I have the sway bar parts lined up here. Got the holes drilled. I put the U-bolt through. Made sure I oversized the holes just enough so it slipped in and out pretty easy. Here's what the U-bolt looks like. Slips through the hole, and it has to line up on the other end. So you put the nut on the end so it doesn't get lost and you have something to grab onto. I think I can install this now. I'm going to put the plate on, tighten the screws. So then you put the nut on the other one before you pull the back one off. Again, so you don't lose the U-bolt. You line up the back one. It's a little bit of a pain, but it's not too bad. As long as you don't drop your parts like I just did. Okay. Back in action. Alright, first bracket's in. I'm going to tighten down the nuts. Not bad. It's a little difficult. We just installed that EMPI sway bar from Just Campers, and I'm going to take Susie Q for a test drive. Check out Just Campers for more stuff. They're one of our top sponsors, and one piece at a time, we're getting this old girl back on the road. Keep cruising. All right.